Moisturizer is an essential part in every skincare routine because when your skin is moisturized, it reflects light. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 5 best face moisturizers for glowing skin. So all the face moisturizers I'll be listing in this video, they are budget friendly and they are suitable for all skin types. So even if you have an oily skin, acne prone skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, like, you're going to enjoy using any of these moisturizers. So if you have been on that trial and error hunt for a good face moisturizer, you definitely want to keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you the best face moisturizers for glowing skin. So let's jump right into it. So many people do ask me, Judith, do I really need a face moisturizer in my skincare routine? And I'm like, oh yes, you need a face moisturizer in your skincare routine. Like, moisturizing your skin is an essential part in every skincare routine because when your skin is moisturized, it reflects light. Like, you will notice that instant glow effect on your skin. So that is why I've gone ahead to handpick my 5 best face moisturizers that will make your skin glow. And the first on my list is Boots Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizing Cream. This is one of the best face moisturizers that is suitable for all skin types. It has a very light texture. It contains vitamin C and yuzu extracts. Like, this particular vitamin C is going to give you that glowing effect on the skin. You all know that vitamin C is a good skincare ingredient and it's gonna make your skin glow. Brightening effect of this cream is going to give you that bright, nourished, healthy looking skin. This Boots Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizing Cream is going to help moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and lock in moisture and nutrients into your skin without clogging your pores or causing you breakouts on the face. This particular face moisturizer is very good for all skin types. It's very suitable for people battling with dull skin or damaged skin barrier. Like, it's going to brighten up your face and give you that clear glowing effect on the skin. Like, this particular face moisturizer is going to give you that glowing effect on the skin. It's sold at the price of 6,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So the second best face moisturizer on my list is COSRX Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. Like, this is another good face moisturizer that is suitable for people with dry skin, sensitive skin, and acne prone skin type. Like, this particular face moisturizer, personally speaking, I would say that this particular COSRX Advanced Snail cream is suitable for all skin types because it's packed with 92% snail mucin, hyaluronic acid. Like, this is a cream that will deeply hydrate and moisturize your skin without giving you that oily or greasy feel on the skin. After applying this COSRX cream to your face, it's going to leave that supple, smooth feel on your skin. Like, this particular face moisturizer is so soothing on the skin. If you have a super dry skin or irritated skin, like, you can basically apply this on your skin and it will give you that cooling, refresh feel on your skin. It's very good when it comes to soothing irritated skin, and it will also help to improve your skin elasticity. So this particular face moisturizer is a very nice anti-aging moisturizer. And one thing I actually love about this particular face cream is the fact that is fragrance free and is very suitable for those with sensitive skin type, and it has this gel like consistency. So this particular COSRX cream deeply absorbs into the skin. So if you're someone battling with facial redness, skin irritations, or you have a very dry or rough skin with dark spots and scars, then this should be your go-to face moisturizer, because it's not only going to help tackle others, it's also going to make your skin glow, and it's sold at the price of 9,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So the third best face moisturizer on my list for glowing skin is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Light Moisturizer. This particular face moisturizer is one of the best and affordable face moisturizer to use if you want to achieve that glowing skin. Like, if you cannot afford the first and the second face moisturizers that I've mentioned in this video, you can simply opt in for this Nivea face moisturizer. It's a lightweight moisturizer and is suitable for those with oily skin type. It absorbs very fast into the skin. It's very moisturizing on the skin and is going to make your skin feel soft, smooth, supple, and you're going to love it on your skin. It will help to reduce the amount of oil on your skin. Like, this particular Nivea face moisturizer is suitable for people with oily skin type because it's going to help control the amount of oil on your skin. Like, it's very mattifying on the skin. So if you're someone that likes to get that matte finish, you can basically use this moisturizer because it's going to help control the amount of oil on your skin. And one thing I love about this Nivea face moisturizer is the fact that it contains SPF. So it's going to help protect your skin from the sun, but you still need a sunscreen though, because the SPF in this particular moisturizer is not enough. So for me, this is one of the best face moisturizers to use if you're on a budget and you're looking for something affordable and yet effective. Like, it contains vitamin E, so it's going to help moisturize your skin and at the same time glow your skin. It goes at the price of 2,500 naira. So the fourth best face moisturizer on my list is St. Ives Timeless Skin Collagen Elastin Facial Moisturizer. This is one of the best sold face moisturizers on Amazon because of how affordable and effective it is. This particular St. Ives Timeless Facial Moisturizer contains safflower and natural proteins, so it's very good for those with dry skin and super sensitive skin. It's not going to clog your pores or irritate your skin. It's a very nice affordable facial moisturizer to use. It absorbs in very fast into the skin and it doesn't leave you with that greasy or thick feel on the skin, although it has this thick consistency, but it's not going to make you feel oily or greasy after applying this particular St. Ives Timeless facial cream. Like, when you apply the St. Ives Timeless facial moisturizer, is going to give you that instant soft smooth feel on the skin. It's very suitable for all skin types, especially for those with dry and sensitive skin type. Like, you're going to love this particular face moisturizer. Like, this should be your holy grail if you're looking to achieve that firm, healthy and glowing skin. Like, this particular St. Ives Timeless facial moisturizer is going to help give you that glowing and firm looking skin. It goes at the price of 2,500 naira, so it's also an affordable facial moisturizer that you can add to your skincare routine. So the fifth or last best face moisturizer on my list is the La Roche Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. Like, this is my favorite face moisturizer if you're looking for something that will hydrate your face and at the same time protect your skin. You should basically opt in for this La Roche Posay Double Moisturizer. It's actually called double for a reason. It's a nice moisturizer for daytime and it's very suitable for those with dry skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin and all skin types. It contains 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide, and I love the fact that it have a lightweight texture, like it absorbs into the skin very fast. It's dermatologist approved, it's paraben free, it does not contain any form of fragrance in it, so it's very suitable for people with super sensitive skin. Like, this is a moisturizer that you will use and you will love it. Like, it doesn't in any way clog your pores, and it's not going to cause you any form of breakouts or pimple on the face. So if you're looking for a face moisturizer that would gently suit your skin and at the same time moisturize your skin, you should basically opt in for this particular La Roche Posay double repair moisturizer. Like, you don't need to buy a sunscreen while using this particular face moisturizer because it contains SPF 30, so it's a 2-in-1 facial moisturizer. So with this particular face cream, you'll be saving yourself the money that you would have spent on a sunscreen. It's sold at the price of 6,500 naira, so it's actually affordable. So all the moisturizers I've mentioned in this video are very suitable for all skin types and complexion. So even if you have a dark skin, fair skin, chocolate skin, caramel skin tone, you can pick any of those moisturizers depending on your skin type and glow your skin. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.